What do salt, pepper, paprika and curry have to do with playing the cello? This is a series within a series. In the next 5 videos, I'm going to show you how to cook up a great cello sound. So what is the salt of cello playing or cello sound? And this is the weight that we put on the bow. So experiment with having a light arm or a heavy arm and seeing how that feels. You can take the whole bow and really relax your arm from the shoulder, releasing into the string. And this is really like cooking. Too much salt, not enough salt, kind of tasteless. So you're looking for the right amount of salt to make a beautiful, tasty cello sound using the weight of the arm. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about pepper and how it relates to cello playing. Make sure to follow along.